Hi, third graders. Today I'm going to have you work on a directed drawing, but since you can't color on your computers, I'm going to show you how to do this using a Google Doc. It can be a little bit tricky, and really you just need to try different things out. So this is the drawing over here that we're going to be making. It is a jaguar from the Great Kapok tree. And when you open your Google Doc, it will look like this. You're going to click on the word insert. And then when you scroll down, you see image, table, and drawing. So you're going to go to the drawing, slide over, and click new. When that happens, let me get this a little bit closer, you're going to see that you have a canvas here. And this is kind of like where your drawing is going to be. So you have so many different choices. If you look, if you do something and you don't like it, this arrow will undo it. This arrow, you can see there's a little click down there, can draw a line. It can do an arrow, kind of a curved line, a scribble, any of those kinds of lines. This one here, the circle inside of the square, is the tool that we're mostly going to be using. This is your shape bar. And when you click on that, take a look at all these different choices you have. So if you go on shapes, you have all of these different shapes to choose from. We have big circles, little circles, anything you can imagine. You can also add arrows, call outs. This would be cool if you were making like a cartoon strip or something. And then math equations. But to work on our jaguar, I'm going to start with a circle. So I'm going to click on that, kind of go to the middle of my canvas and left click. So you'll see my circle come up, and we can make it bigger by clicking on the blue dots. I'm thinking a jaguar is going to have a pretty large face. Oh, I'm just dragging it. Sorry, it's hard to see through the screen. Yeah, so that looks too much like an oval. No matter which side you click, you can just kind of move it around. If you click in the middle and hold it, you can see how the circle is kind of moving. You can change it to a different spot on the page. I think I'm going to leave it right there. Okay, my circle is done. Next, if I look at my directed drawing, we're going to make the neck. So to make the neck, we can either go to lines, or we can go back to shapes, click on that. Actually, let's go down to equations. What? You might wonder why. Let me show you another cool thing. I'm going to go to the equal sign and click. Click here where I want the jaguar's neck to go. And you might be thinking, Mrs. Fells, that doesn't quite work. But take a look. Do you see this one blue dot up above? If I click on that, do you see how my cursor turns to a plus sign? And I turn it, look at what happens. There we go. We have our two things. We can turn it so it's facing the different way. Next, let's add the jaguar's ears. Now we can see that those are a triangle shape. So I'm going to go to shapes again. Find a triangle. Put it where I want. Well, not there. Maybe like right here. I think I might have to turn that a little bit. So remember, we can go here and kind of twist it like that. I'm going to make another one over here. Okay, I kind of want to make sure they're about the same place, about the same size. Again, I want to twist it, rotate it a little bit. Oh, I think I like that one better, so let me move this up and twist it. So it looks like it's resting right on his head. Okay. Next, as I look at my drawing, I see that we add some smaller triangles inside his ears. So I'm going to go back to Shape, click on the triangle again, put it inside. Remember, this is where we can make it smaller. You can push it in a little bit, turn it over, rotate it, rotate it like that. Now, because I want the other ear to look the same, if I go in that triangle and right click, look at it. It says I can make a copy. So I'm going to click on copy, come to his other ear, left click, right click, and paste. Then all I have to do is bring that ear over here and twist it. Yep, I'm twisting the wrong one, aren't I? Sorry, trying to do this while holding the phone here. Click on this one. A little more. A little more. And okay, there we go. Now, I might decide, hey, I really don't want to see that line here. So you can right click, go to order, and say, send that line backwards. And it did. So I'm going to let you play around a little bit with calling the different shapes and deciding how you want your face to be. But one more tool I wanted to quickly show you. If you look up here, you'll see kind of like a paint bucket. And if you click on that, look at all these beautiful colors that come out. So I want my Jaguar to not be blue, but instead, how about this dark yellow? Ooh, I like it. Let's make that dark yellow also. And I think I want his face to also be dark yellow. Look at that. His neck, our equal sign here, can be dark yellow. Like that. Inside, I think I want his ears to be a little lighter yellow to show some contrast. I don't think I like the way that looks. Let's try another one. Does that one look a little better? Click on that one, add it, and this is still quite not right. There. Okay, so go ahead, give it a try. These are not going to look perfect, and that's absolutely okay. This is just something I want you to try, kind of a fun new tool that we can use. When you're done, you're going to click Save and Close, and it should go right into your Google Drive. Okay? Have fun drawing. Can't wait to see your Jaguars. Bye.